Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure brand-wise consolidated and detailed sale report. To begin, under the Reports and Queries section, select Sale Registers. Next, open the Sale Register Crosstab report. Click on Configuration to open the configuration setup and simply define the report configuration. Next, go to the Report options. Under Report Consolidation, select the Item option. Then, within Item Consolidation, tick the Company Name option and move it to the top using the arrow keys. In the Report Totals section, enable the Grand Total option to display overall totals. After this, define the order under Report Order by moving item to the top using the arrow keys. After defining the report options, navigate to the Transaction Options section. Here, enable the setting to display transaction details and choose whether you would like them presented by value or by quantity. In the Other Options section, you will find various additional settings that can be configured as per your requirements. Once you have made your selections, save the changes to finalize the configuration. From the list of available report configurations, select the newly created configuration and click on the Create button. By default, all columns will be visible. To customize them, click on Setup Column Attributes. Deselect all columns first, and then select only the ones you need in the report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys. Always remember to save the settings and then refresh the report by pressing the F2 key. As you can see, the report now displays the total brand-wise sale within the defined date range. You can also generate the report using report filters. If you want to view the sales for a particular brand or company, simply select it from the list and generate the report accordingly. If you want to view an item-wise report for a particular brand, showing the sales of each item, you will need to adjust the report settings. Open the configuration window and, under Report Options, go to Item Consolidation. Here, select the options for item name, pack name, and shade. Next, open the Setup Column Attributes list and enable the item name along with all the fields required to generate a detailed, item-wise report. Save the changes and refresh the report. Now, you will be able to view a detailed brand-wise, item-level sales report. Additionally, if you want to see which items of a particular brand were sold within a specific month or date range, simply apply the company filter, and the system will display the complete detailed sales report accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.